Roundabout TV.
Today we're going to do some staff spinning. Welcome to Roundabout TV, my name is Rachel and we're going to be doing some spinning staff. For this you can use a broomstick or you can make your own staff. This is just bamboo with a rolled up yoga mat on the end. So that it's a bit more protected in case you've got any heads nearby. Make sure you've got lots of space around you. Probably good to try this one outside. First trick we're going to try is the staff drop. I'm going to hold my staff on the top, palm facing down, and I'm going to catch it with my body. Swing it up. Facing to the roof, and you go a little throw. If you get more comfortable with that, you can throw it nice and high. This is a flat toss, so we're trying to keep the staff nice and flat. Now we can give it a spin. So keeping my hand on the grip bit in the middle, I'm going to do a two-hand spin. As my hand starts to rotate, I'm grabbing underneath, crossing my wrists over as we spin. Try both directions. Next trick is the horizontal pass. Keeping your staff nice and flat, you're going to pass it around your back, keeping it horizontal.